Hey friends, it's Charlene. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I finally completed my faux fireplace brick insert in the living room, so I wanted to show you that. I also did some shopping. I'm going to show you that, and I even have a DIY.
And so I did. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable.
For your faux brick, all you have to do is figure out how wide you want your bricks to be, space it out, measure if you want. I don't, I just eyeball. This time around, I just use joint compound to make it very easy for myself. And then I did the red and burgundy and brown, and then I whitewashed it, and that's how I got this pretty effect. And next, on this wall that I know I need to paint and patch, but I haven't done it yet, don't judge me. I did find this really nice sign at Ross. It was $29. I mean, and love is really all you need, right?
And so I did.
I found these really cute items. So, I love this rose scented spray from Love Planet. This is from Target, and so are these adorable heart plates. Those are from Target as well. Just a few dollars for those. And then I went to Home Goods and got these jute placemats. I always forget stuff. It's a curse. But look at these adorable tea mugs. Aren't these so pretty and dainty and feminine? Oh, they stole my heart. These were $4. My daughter's like, you paid $4 for these things? I'm like, yes, they make me happy. So yes, I did. Then I went to Dollar Tree, and they're stepping up their foliage game, y'all. And I thought these would look so cute as a almost springtime project, right? Just to have like a little basket of herbs growing. I'm not quite ready for flowers just yet. It's coming, but not yet. And I also picked up a planter that I thought I could kind of shabby chic it up and make it fit my look.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my, my oh my, a kiss, and so I did. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. I feel unbreakable. Oh, since I met you, I feel unbreakable. My oh my, my oh my, a kiss, and so I did.